Fitchburg Headlines. I'm Jeremy Crosby here. The headlines we're working for you today. We start with Halloween Escape Room. This is going to be on Wednesday, October 22nd. For you teensters, come out to the library and figure your way out of a locked book. The course will be unleashed within 1 hour. You only have an hour to get out. Do you have the ability to work together and solve a series of puzzles and challenges that are Halloween themed? Well, this is your chance to do so from 6 to 7 p.m. at the Fitchburg Public Library. A Victory Over Japan Day, or VJ Day, discover the remarkable stories behind one of the most significant moments in history. A presenter will be in to discuss this day in history on October 23rd from 1 p.m. at the Fitchburg Senior Center. Presenter Bob Block from the Oregon Historical Society will be there. It is free and open to the public, and it is a pretty cool series there. You're definitely going to want to check that out. And the Fitchburg Historical Society invites you to attend their free program, Wisconsin POW camps, on November 9th at 1:30 p.m. at the Fitchburg Public Library. Most people are unaware that there were POW camps, prisoners of war camps, in Wisconsin. It's a cool presentation. I've seen this presentation. It's well worth stopping in and checking it out. Again, Bob Block will be in. He's a great storyteller, and I definitely encourage you to stop out for that event. Your fire prevention tip of the day has to do with cooking fires. We know that's a huge area for fires. Make sure that you stand by your pan. Never leave the kitchen. Turn your burner off. If you do walk out of the kitchen, watch where you are cooking. Fires start when the heat is too high. So make sure you check that, and of course check your smoke detector, make sure that's working. Turn your pot handles towards the back end of the stove so you can't bump them, and keep a pan lid or baking sheet nearby to cover the pan in case it does catch fire. Have a great day, everybody.